Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of The Sweet Life of Sharmel. Today is Monday, May 7th. It is, what time is it? 5:15 in the afternoon. So yeah, basically where this will continue is where I left off last time. And long story short, I am still stressed. The stress from my weekend has carried on to my week. So I'm going out of town I leave to go out of town on Thursday. And I have to finish my hair. I did not finish my hair. I still have about, I think I counted this morning, I have 9 braids. So I'm going to try to knock that out tonight. So I'm getting ready. Like I said, I got to go to Target. I'm going to fold some clothes because I washed and did laundry last night. So I'm going to fold some clothes. And then I'm going to try to get some of my packing done. If I don't start packing tonight, I'm definitely going to pack tomorrow. I want my Wednesday, the night before I fly out, I want that to be as chill as possible. So yeah, I'm going to try to fold these clothes and I'm trying to be packed up by Tuesday. Get everything done by Tuesday. I have a video about my hair and then also have another vlog from this weekend, which I'm going to do my best to have them up before I leave. I know it's a push. Ideally, like I said, I want my Wednesday to go smooth. If anything, I just want to edit Wednesday night and have these vlogs up, or not these vlogs, but have these videos uploaded and ready for you guys to go. So yeah, let me get my life together, like I'm always saying, and I'll check back in. Hey everybody, so today is Tuesday. It is 6 o'clock in the evening, and I did not go to the gym today, and I feel terrible about it. I just have so much stuff to get done before I leave for my trip tomorrow. I don't really consider it a vacation because to me, a vacation is somewhere where you go to relax and to have fun. This is just a trip going to the East Coast for family. My aunt's graduating, and I'm visiting family on the East Coast, and haven't been since I was like a little girl. So it should be a good time, but it's more of a trip and not a vacation. But anyways, yesterday I didn't go to the gym either. I haven't been to the gym since last Wednesday. And I most likely won't be going tomorrow because I have an eye appointment. I recently got contacts. I don't have them in right now, but I recently got contacts, and so I'm doing my follow-up tomorrow. And so yeah, I put out 2 new videos yesterday. So I'll link them in this video for you guys to check out. At first I thought I was only going to be able to get 1 uploaded, but like I pushed through. I had to go to Target yesterday. I was running errands. I did some laundry. I had to finish my hair yesterday, and then like I ended up filming the last clip of my hair video, and then I stayed up to like midnight, almost midnight, to edit the video and get it up for you guys, since I am going to be out of town this week and throughout the weekend. So after tomorrow, if I don't get anything else up by tomorrow, then there most likely won't be any videos until I get back. So I wanted to do all of that. And yeah, so, I'm just packing. Well, starting to pack now. I have some like old stuff that I've already like kind of had in my closet, and then I have my suitcase. So this suitcase is a Jessica Simpson suitcase. I got it at Ross about 1.5 years ago. It's kind of dirty now, but it's super big, which I really like because I only need like 1 suitcase. However, with these super large ones, you do have to be careful to make sure you don't overpack and stuff it. I'm only going to be going for like, let me see, I'm going to be going for about 4 days, so I probably don't need all the stuff that I'm packing, but I'm one of those people who always overpack because I like to have options. So some other stuff that I picked up, I needed some toiletries, so that's what's in that bag over there. And so now we're going to start packing, and I guess I'll do a little haul and show you guys what I bought. So let me... Alright, so honestly didn't buy too much because I honestly don't really need anything. My closet is overflowing. But I'll start with shoes. Spring is on the horizon. Well, no, it's already spring. Summer is on the horizon, and I needed some new sandals. So I picked up some sandals from Aldo. They're just like some basic little flat sandals, and they're like a rose gold color. I think they had them in brown, and they may have them in another color, but I decided to just get these ones because they're neutral and they can go with a lot of things. As far as comfortability, they're okay. They're not too hard, but they don't have a cushion either. So these were, I don't know how much I paid. These were $65. So I feel like they were a little overpriced, but I know I needed shoes, so I just got them. Really needed new sneakers, so I was only supposed to get one pair, but I ended up buying two pair. I went to the Nike store. This pair I got, these were the first pair that I was gonna get. So these are just the Nike Air Huaraches, and they look like this. So they're like this baby pinkish color, and then they have the gold and gray detailing. And I got these in a kid's 5.5. So I wear 7 in women's, which is a kid's 5.5. Yeah, I think they're super cute and girly. I have a pair of the Nike Air Huaraches in black. If you don't have a pair of Huaraches, get you some. They're super comfortable and they're super lightweight, which I really like. I know I have like a pair of Air Max that they're okay, but they're heavier. Like, Huaraches are just so light to me, and they're trendy as well, so I love them. And those were $95. And then also got another pair of the Nike Air Huaraches in white. And the only reason I got these is because like I needed a new pair of white sneakers, because the ones that I have in there, they are filthy. These ones are these, and these were on sale for $70. So I was like, might as well. I don't know if I'm gonna bring both of them on my trip. I'm probably just gonna bring one pair. I mainly wanted a pair just for traveling purposes, to be comfortable. On to clothes. Like I said, I really didn't buy that many clothes because I just don't need it. And I don't know, with shopping and stuff, like I went into some of the stores, like the local shopping center, and I was just not really feeling anything. So this sweatshirt I got is just a random sweatshirt. I'll probably wear this to the airport or something, just to be comfortable. Went into Forever, and I got these little, I don't know what kind of pants these are called, but they're like the little cotton pants, and they kind of flare at the bottom. Fun fact, I never try on clothes when I go shopping. I hate trying on clothes. I don't know. It just takes the fun away from shopping. I'm the type of person where I'll bring it home, try it on. If I don't like it, then I'll take it back. But I got these little pants. Again, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't even know why I bought these. I don't even think I'm taking them on the trip with me. But I got a pair in black as well. So these ones specifically, I thought they were cute. And then when I tried them on at home, I really didn't care for them because of the stripes. And then I'm also kind of knock-kneed. And then with the flare, it just kind of, I feel like, highlighted my knock-knees. So I don't know. I'm going to be around family. So I may use this like when in the hotel, just to kind of walk around in comfortable clothes. And like I said, I also got these in the black pair. The black pair I like. These ones I don't really care for, but they're like $15, so I didn't really, it wasn't a major loss. I also got this really pretty maxi dress. I love maxi dresses. So it's like a striped maxi dress, and it has like kind of ruffles in the front, and then it's like crisscross in the back. And I'll probably wear this to the graduation or something with like a little cardigan or something. And I could also, I don't know if I'm going to wear heels or not, but this will go cute with those golden sandals. Love maxi dresses because they're super comfortable. I also got these little linen pants in this mustard color. I have like this off the shoulder white, like off the shoulder kind of white bodysuit, so I'll probably pair it with this. I think that'll be really cute. Again, it'll go with my golden sandals and just like a cute casual outfit. Honestly, that's all I bought because like I said, I really didn't need anything. I mainly needed shoes. So I can show you guys some of the other stuff that I'm packing that I kind of already had, that I've either never worn or only worn like once in my lifetime. So I just realized as I'm going through stuff, I really didn't pack anything. Like I said, it's only 4 days, so I'm trying not to overdo it. And like I said, I'm going to be with the family, so I don't need like dressy clothes, but I feel like I need to pack more than what I have. So I just have a couple of pair of jeans that I'm taking. Jeans are multi-purpose. You can dress them up or down. I can wear it with sneakers, sandals. I have this little tube red dress. I think this is from Boohoo. I've never worn this before. Like, I'll try it on and then I'll put it back in my closet. But it's like a cotton. I can throw a little sweater on with it, throw some sandals on with it or something, and it's cotton and comfortable. I do wear like little bodycon fitted dresses all the time, like with sneakers or sandals, especially in the spring and summertime. I also have this cute little denim wrap dress that I'm gonna bring with me. And again, I can wear this with sneakers or sandals. So I also just found this other bodysuit, which I think will go even cuter with the yellow pants. Okay. So here's the bodysuit. I got this from Boohoo last year. I wore it one time. And so it has like this floral print, and then the bodysuit part is kind of mesh and it's black. And so here are the yellow pants. I don't know, the yellows are kind of off, but I think it still might work. That might be a look. And then if I don't wear that, this is the white shirt that I was talking about, which is very similar, off the shoulder type situation with that. So either one of them might work. I'm probably going to pack both of them, just because. But I think I like this look right here. What y'all think? I think that's a look. I don't know what bags I want to bring. Probably just a few small bags. When I travel, I don't like to bring big purses, so this is the backpack that I normally use when I travel, like to get on the airplane. I can stick like my wallet and snacks and just important stuff in here. And this came from Aldo. I think I got it last year. So yeah. I'm trying to decide on whether or not I want to bring heels. May or may not go out, so I don't know if I want to bring heels. I might just bring like some all-purpose heels. My cousin was talking about going to some concert, so I feel like I should just, or maybe I've been wearing these Steve Madden heels a lot. Maybe I'll just pack these just to have, just in case.
Hey guys, so it is Saturday, May 12th, and I'm leaving my aunt's graduation, walking back to the hotel room. Just picked up some Chick-fil-A.